Yo, Gemini, it must be a dream them had. Wake up, find out, say them no bad. Me love him for them head, put shot in a face. We a go for them far, did I drive for days. Love make him farmer, chat in a grave. Member said dead men tell no tales. PUBG style, yo dog, one of them now. Run up on them with the machine hot. The next one run left him a ball for help. You shoulda know you know what he did. Must be a dream them had. Wake up, find out, say them no bad. Me nah know where them try. The drive-by never drive past. Shots blow up the car, the driver dead force headshot. The car total and the tire run flat. Hollow point fly fast, put hole in a body as we start fire.
No, I have never seen anything like this. And this happened in Trinidad and Tobago. And what I did, I kinda slow the video down so we can really analyze this thing. Because look at that car right there in front of you. Notice the car is parked, okay, on a street in Port of Spain, Trinidad. Now, I want you guys look at this. Now, watch this video. And like I said earlier, I did it in slow motion. Now, here comes a Spanish man with a backpack on his back. He walk up to this car. It's a white car. He opened his bag and he went into his bag, okay, and he took out an orange t-shirt. Notice he's coming out with a t-shirt. He wrapped the t-shirt around the car window, visor, and sprayed something on it. See, he sprayed something on it. He put his t-shirt over his nose and sprayed something on it. Now, he also went into his bag and put something right there by the car wheel. You're gonna see him put something. I'm trying to figure out what he put by the car. Now, notice what he's doing. He's walking over to the next car and he's chilling, and watching the shirt. More want to watch it, See the shirt there? The t-shirt on the car mirror. Now, he's watching it. He walked further away because he was by the car, but then he walked further away, which is, I'm gonna say south of the car. I'm just using that to hold the car's position. If you look, that's him right there across the street. Even watching this, at one point I'm thinking to myself, is this a fucking joke or a setup? I'm watching this video and I'm thinking, yo, some great violence is gonna happen. Now, okay, watch this lady come to the car. Before we get into the video, I want you to check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel, and also check out the WhatsApp group down below. You understand? In the group, we share information, we talk about a lot of stuff, and any ideas, any kind of videos you guys want me to make, I'll make it for you as long as it's possible for me to do it. So remember, check out the WhatsApp group. Now, let's go. The lady touched the car and she picked up the t-shirt and she looked at it. Okay, and I don't know what she's doing, but she looked at the t-shirt. Okay, and what's gonna happen to this lady? I am so surprised. It's scary. I think it was gonna be violence, but if you notice, the lady starts to feel woozy and starts leaning on the car. Okay, notice that, after she pick up the t-shirt, she starts feeling a little bit sluggish. She opened the car, she went into the car to sit down. Even her dress is blowing up to blow out. And I didn't see that when I was watching it in fast. So like I said, I slowed this down just to let you guys see what's going on in Port of Spain, Trinidad. Because when I talk about Trinidad, people always say, well, countryman, you don't like Trinidad, countryman, you don't do this. Now look at this culprit. He ran over, okay? Now he kicked that thing away. He went in the car. He's doing some stuff like he's taking out some stuff. Now look at this guy now. Him look like Spanish. You understand? Watch what he's gonna do. Only thing I'm saying, thank goodness he didn't hurt this lady, because this is very serious. He went in the car, put his backpack on his back, okay, took the car keys now, and he brought this lady, dragged her out of her car, and remember now, he put a liquid on that orange t-shirt that we're looking at right there. Listen, when I see this, it raised the ear at the back of my bumper cloth neck. Look, now he jumps in the fucking car, the lady's car, and drive off. Okay? And look at the lady sitting right there. Even then, I'm thinking, is this some form of acting? Did somebody set this up? But this seems to be real. You understand? Now, the lady's there, sitting down, oozed out of mind, and I think I spoke to a friend of mine who knows about these things, and he said they put chloroform on that thing. Now here comes the lady's family. They walked over, see her stretched out at this light pole, and help her up and bringing her back to the house. Now, you guys see what just went on, and this is in Trinidad. Let's talk about it. Let's go. Now, look at the kind of crime that's taking place in the beautiful island of Trinidad. And them Spanish people them have every craft in the book. Now, what kind of chemical did that man put on that t-shirt? Let the lady smell it. After she smell it, gonna see what happened, and then him take her car and drive off. Thank God he never kill her. But you see the kind of stuff that we have to put up with in our countries. You see the kind of stuff that we have to deal with. That was a carjacking in the most unique way, and I've never ever seen anything like that. And that lady was targeted. It just doesn't seem like it was random. And notice him casually have on a slippers and beach shorts and beach shirt, and just casually I walk with a backpack like maga at the beach to bumper cloth. And look with the scoundrel, bottom feeder. This is what you call a bottom feeder. Very, very dangerous. And I feel it for the woman. And This one kinda upset me, but me nah go off it. Me nah go lose it and cuss up here bad word. Me just hope the police them, when we put out this, we hope the police them can catch that culprit there. You understand? The man take with the woman, and you know, even me I show this. We don't know if YouTube is going to allow it, but me still have a little problem with it because it'll teach people what to do. And me not have a criminal school right here, so all of that me I deal with. You understand? If you want to see the full video without the blockage and the blackout, please click the link below and log into the WhatsApp group. See the woman family them there. I come pick her up and walk her in. I still can't get over this. First me think it was an acting, but this is not no acting. Just look how the man them dangerous and diabolic, dog. Yo, me still a scratch my head. But with that said, let's move on and finish this video. Here what me have to say right here, so. Please, help us catch this bottom feeder who use chloroform and drugs the woman and thief her car. Me remember enough time people say people put something in them house and make them sleep and can't get up and rob them. You even have a bottom feeder where them catch a going at people's house. Well, for the first time I see this, and believe you me, I don't like it. Anybody have any information on this arsehole, please contact me or contact the Port of Spain police, yo. This is damn crazy. Alright, my name is Countryman. Like, share and subscribe.